Okay, so we're on our first trip of the year. We are at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, which will also be our last trip to Busch Gardens Williamsburg for this year. So our membership expires tomorrow, so we thought, let's get one more trip in on the membership. So yeah, we're here. Looks like it's gonna be a nice sunny day. Gonna ride some roller coaster, just have a fun time and enjoy Busch Gardens. Let's have some fun. What'd you think?
Yeah.
You can walk it, bud. All right, can you do this one? You're doing good. Been a pretty windy day here, so Pantheon has been closed, Apollo's Chariot has been closed, Griffin was open and then we got over there, was closed again. So far the only roller coasters that I've been on has been Verbolten, Dark Coaster, and Alpengeist. All three of them were a walk-on, which was great, so it was fun to actually not have to wait in line to get on Dark Coaster. But yeah, it's pretty windy and I'm not really sure if Pantheon's even going to open at all tonight, which is disappointing, but still at least enjoying it. At least it's sunny out. Apollo's Chariot is open, so we are going to go ride it while we can. So hopefully the wind holds up while we're in line. Is that fun? So we just got off Apollo's Chariot. It was a fun ride, and then it closed for wind. So Kara wasn't able to get on. So that's kind of going to be the song and dance for the day. I think the wind is just going to keep shutting down rides and letting them open up for like 5 seconds. And then I guess if you're lucky enough to be by, you'll get on. But I don't think Pantheon's going to be opening at all because that coaster is very temperamental to the wind. So, oh well. Chris, ready to ride the Vader? All right, we're in the very back row. Get some good air time. What'd you think, Trip? You like that?
I like that one.
Awesome. Have you been here before? Okay, cool. Well, that was Invader. Not too bad. Maybe a little shaky today, but still fun ride. Will you see me? I don't know. That's half the fun. Yeah. Here we go. Survived the dark storm or whatever it is.
Dark Castle.
Dark coaster. Soar through the sky. I don't know if I'm supposed to be twisting like this. I'm like spinning around. Our day here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg has been going pretty good. The weather's been here hit or miss with the whole wind advisory or whatnot, but Apollo Chariot is back up and running, so Kara is actually going to go ride. We'll be able to get on that. I got on Apollo, I did it on Apollo Chariot earlier, but I got on Alpengeist again. We were finally able to get on Griffin because the weather died down, so we could ride that. We went on Dark Coaster twice. It's pretty much a walk-on today, which is pretty good. And did a couple of the other rides, like we did the swings. It's just been a good, fun day, just enjoying it. And met some other coaster enthusiasts out there. So got to ride ride a roller Invader. That's what it was. We rode Invader. That was awesome. I rode Blizzard Storm coasters. We rode together on Alpengeist, and I also met Vortex Creation. So hey guys, great meeting you. And yeah, I always enjoy my time here at Busch Gardens, and I think we're gonna grab something to eat, might ride another coaster or two, and then we're gonna head out, and it'll be a day. And then tomorrow we're gonna be going to King's Dominion. That's going to do it for our day at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Overall, it's been a pretty good day. Got on pretty much almost all the roller coasters except for Pantheon and Tempseto. The wind never really died down enough to operate those two coasters, which is disappointing, but still had a good time. Like I got to ride all the roller coasters that we wanted to, a couple of them a few times, and yeah, I'm walking around like a crazy person. But other than that, that's gonna wrap it up. And tomorrow, King's Dominion.